way too zoomed in right now. Oh, I found you. It's super cool.
I killed the cat.
Like a baby.
You act like a baby.
Yes, that's it. Perfect. And it's a video. There's no privacy here anymore.
Twin feet time.
Color of the heart they gave me. Yes, I'll blame it on the one who made me. Black is the color of the heart they gave me. Black is the color of the heart they gave me. Black is the color of the heart.
We're testing some providers light shapes.
Yes.
Show me this board. Stringer.
It's a stringer.
And Felix, what is this blade? Tell me more about this board.
Man, the spooky. What is it again? Spooky Point. Spooky Point surfboard.
Yeah.
built in the 12th century. This moinho is a typical example of the architecture of the coast of Portugal. Specifically, the area Serra del Rei, Borges, Consola Sound.
It's not boiler room, it's laundry
You
room.
think I can fit in a dryer?
Yeah. We need
Come
to
on,
speak
put it
though.
in.
It's only €1.50 to kill him.
I have.
What's the coins?
Time takes its crazy toll. And how does your mirror grow? You better watch yourself when you jump into it, 'cause the mirror's gonna steal your soul. I wonder how it came to be, my friend, that someone just like you has come again. You'll never, never know how close you came until you fall in love with the diamond ring. Throw all his trash away. Look out, he's here to stay. Your mirror's gonna crack when he breaks into it, and you'll never, never be the same. Look into his eyes and you can see why all the little kids are dressed in dreams. I wonder how he's gonna make it back when he sees that you just know it's make-believe. Blood crystallized to sand, and now I hope you understand. You reflect into his looking glass soul, and now the mirror is your only friend. Look into his eyes and you will see that men are not alone on the diamond sea. Sail into the heart of the lonely storm. Tell her that you love her eternally.
It's always the best part, correct? Oh my.
Feel like you have stopped here.
Look, it's Napoleon. It's Napoleon. Don't be serious.
No,
Now you, I feel the pressure.
sometimes.
Yes.
Left your throat in.
Buon viaggio.